Hi, my name is Richard Chamberlain, and I'm an estate planning attorney in Perrysburg, Ohio. A lot of people wonder how they should prepare for that initial estate planning appointment. And we're going to talk about that in this video. When you schedule your initial consultation with one of our lawyers, we send you out a packet of information in the mail that you can use to help prepare for that appointment. We send it in a folder like this. It's got a lot of information in here, and I thought we'd go over it briefly so that you can know what to expect. So the first thing is this Estate Planning Foundations Questionnaire. It's a 4-page document. It's got places for you to put information about you, your children, if you have children, what your planning goals are, and a little bit of information about your assets. And all the information in this questionnaire is important because the kind of plan that you do is going to be impacted by all of those things. Who you are, who your beneficiaries are, and what their particular situation in life would be, what your goals are, what you'd like to accomplish with your planning, the things that you're concerned about. And also your assets, the kind of assets you have, the total value of your estate. All of those things go into making the right plan for you. So we provide you with that questionnaire so that you can start to get that information together in advance of the appointment. The next document in our packet is some initial planning decisions. And that asks you a little bit about who you would like to be in charge of your assets if you became incapacitated, who should be in charge of your estate when you pass away, a little bit about how you would like to have your assets distributed upon your death. Now, we're not asking you to come up with all of the answers. Certainly, we don't even have all of the questions on there. But that sheet is designed to help you start thinking about the issues and basically how your estate should start to be designed. When we get into the design phase of the plan, we'll go into a lot more detail about all of those different types of questions and help you design the plan that's going to be right for you. Now, on the other, I guess the right-hand side of this packet, we have a document here called Our Estate Planning Packages. I really encourage you to look at this one because it has information about the different types of planning packages we have, what all is included in those, and how much the fee is for each of those. We don't like there to be any surprises when it comes to fees. So we provide you that information right up front before you ever come to the office. And it's helpful for you to see that ahead of time. We also give you some information about our planning process, about how many meetings we have, about what we do in those meetings, what the costs are at each stage, who's responsible for funding and maintaining your plan. All of those things are discussed in that planning process sheet. Now, we don't require you to do anything in advance of these meetings. We provide you this information so that you can do as much or as little as you want in advance of the appointment. We do know that the more you do in advance before the meeting, the more you'll get out of that initial appointment. We sometimes have people who come and they've read all the materials and they have a lot of questions. And we're happy to answer all those questions. It really makes for a good appointment when we can have a discussion about you, your needs, different planning tools, how all of those things come together for you. That's really what that initial appointment is all about. So I hope this has been helpful for you in knowing what to expect and how to prepare for that first appointment. And we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.